Hindi mo na kailangan ng valid ID kung meron ka nang naipasa noon. Subject for evaluation, at meron din silang welcome gift para sa mga new user. Click check your limit now. Next, facial verification. Please make sure your entire face is clear. Click start facial verification. Please put your face into frame. Application is under review. Your application will be reviewed within 1 working days. Yun yung sabi dito, pero na-approve naman agad within the day ang aming application. Ang date nga pala nito ay July 10 at 7:51 AM. At na-approve or na-activate ng July 10 at 1:26 PM. So, same day lang. Siyempre, subukan natin kung makakapag-loan agad. Nire-open ko muna yung app para ma-refresh yung page. Dito tayo sa Me. S-Loan. Ayan. Congrats, you've successfully activated your S-Loan. Your credit limit is up to 5,000. You can proceed to withdraw your loan now. Enjoy your exclusive welcome gift. Na-receive ko naman yung welcome gift nila na 200 coins, 5,000 ang starting credit limit. Magkakaiba mga starting credit limit base yan sa mga credit assessment sa ating account. Click withdraw now. Maglo-loan ako dito ng 2,500. Pwede siyang installment for 3 months, 6 months, and 9 months. Kahit anong tenure ay 0 admin fee. Sa 3 months, ayan, 0 admin fee. Itong 6 months, at ganoon din ang 9 months. Installment ko to for 3 months. Uncheck ko yung loan protection. Amount received ay nakapix na at 2,500. Monthly repayment niya ay 932.34. May pagbabago sa amount dahil sa 20% off voucher.